What would you love to learn about today? Nature! What are you doing? Oh, I see. You are watching those tiny ants. Wow! Nature is so interesting. What is nature? Nature is you, me, the ants, water, rocks, and plants. It's all things natural. No, your magnifying glass is not part of nature. Uh-oh. No! And no! None of those are part of nature. Hey, where are you going now? Wow! Good rolling, Bamboo Love. Yes, you are right. The sunflower is part of nature. A caterpillar! Yes, definitely nature. Do you want to play with the caterpillar? The caterpillar might be a bit too small to play with you. I know. Would you like to draw a picture of the caterpillar? Good observation. Great drawing. Oh, hey! What are those? Maybe try your magnifying glass? Those are called cocoons. A cocoon is part of nature. It's where a caterpillar changes into a butterfly. Wow! What a beautiful butterfly. Nature is so amazing. Whoa! It looks like the butterfly wants to play with you. Isn't nature just perfect? Bye-bye, butterfly. Today, Bamboo Love learned about nature. She learned that in nature, creatures and plants work together. And creatures come in all different shapes and sizes.